Hi, this is the Welcome Pack team, and what we worked on today was developing welcome packs and center profile documents for each of our hub and spoke centers. And what we did was identify the components for each of those. So under the welcome pack, we're going to have things like center address, contact information, how you get into the building, how you get to the building, where do you park, how do you get there using public transportation and taxis, where are the nearest hotels, where are the nearest retail locations for restaurants, pharmacies, and department stores, and then also things like ATMs and mailboxes. So it's information that would be geared towards our external clients. The other document that we would develop would be our center profile document, and underneath that we would have things like how do our teams access the building, who are their contacts for HVAC and security, what are the inventory levels for each location in terms of technology and furniture, so what do they have in them. We would have information on how to access and use the technology and how to troubleshoot the technology within the centers. We would have information on whether or not there were supplies in the centers, and if not, that they would need to bring them, and a recommended way to do that, either purchase locally or have them drop shipped in. We would have catering info, so who's our caterer and who's the contact person down there. We'd have information on the being able to deliver things in and use the docks at the various locations. We'd have contacts for the cleaning and garbage within each of the centers and how that's handled. And we'd also have FedEx info, so folks could ship things following the session, the FedEx account number, etc. The only other thing I would add to the center profile would be nearby retail, things like Staples and Kinko's and stuff that we might need to use on an emergency basis, or Best Buy. So we'll add those retail opportunities as well. In terms of format for these two documents, we've chosen to use the corporate standard PowerPoint template, and we're going to use that and embed scenic pictures of the center or the city into the cover. So that's what we decided